What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Joe. It's going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently up 21%, sitting at 0.055. We're seeing market cap of 358 million. 24-hour volume is up again, all the way to 1.09 billion. Just about a month ago, we were at like 50 million 24-hour volume. If you're new to Bybit, you can sign up, grab up to $30,000 in bonuses or $8,000 on Bitget. Sign up to either exchange with my referral links in the comments. Email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, posting their profits from their trades. Completely free. Just email me or sign up email. So this is a 4-hour time frame. We broke the wave 3 high. We do have some topping candles here. The bulls are trying to push the price up and the bears are pushing it right back down. Plus bearish divergence on the 4-hour doesn't mean we can't push higher. But the wave 5 can end anytime. It breaks above the wave 3. Now if we pop over to the 1-hour chart, we could see this. Let me grab my brush. As a 1, 2. This is a wave 3. We pulled back in a wave 4, and then we pushed up in a wave 5. That is possible, but if we just continue to push up here, and we break that 0.0, as we mentioned in previous videos, if we break 0.072, that would invalidate this as an ending diagonal, and potentially there would be a bottom in for our friend Gala Games. But as of right now, we do have this bearish divergence on the hourly and the 4-hour, and we need to reverse pretty soon before we break 0.072 if we are going to see continuation and still put in a lower low. It's definitely still on the table until that invalidation point is broken. We put in a nice 5-wave move. So if we do start to break down, especially if we come down and lose these lows here about 0.036, this previous level of support, that'd be more confirmation of continuation to the downside. If we look at the daily time frame, as you can see here on the daily, we're printing a small bearish divergence, extremely overbought. Would be healthy to see pullback. We are printing the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55. So even if Gala Games were to pull back and we hold the EMAs, we hold the bullish cross and we break that high, that would be more confirmation as well that the bottom is in for our friend Gala. As I mentioned, these coins can bottom before Bitcoin, as we're seeing with coins like Matic. Just keep that in mind when trading and investing our friend Gala Games. All right, if we do pull back, that's when I'll look to continue to add to my position. If we come back down to the 3-cent range, the 2-cent range, I'll continue to DCA, as there is potential for a bottom being in. But until we come up and break that invalidation point at 0.072, there is still a possibility that we could come down and put in a lower low. And then in the short term, we have pretty strong bearish divergence. Money is flowing out, as well as we're losing strength on the RSI. There are zero guarantees, but it can be an early signal of some pullback. We have some topping candles here. The bulls continue to get rejected on the 4-hour time frame, and we have divergence on the 1-hour as well. Potentially we could have put in the wave 5 already with that break of the wave 3. But if we do just continue to the upside, then either what I'd be looking at is all of this was a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. But we'd be actually we would break it. It's 0.072. So we'd either break it or come very close to breaking that invalidation zone at 0.072 for the price of Gala. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses and email me your sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis as well as signals. You can see what I'm doing with my how to all plays, and the members like to post their profits in here, as you can see. All of that for $10 a month. Everything else is free if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Email me your sign up email, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.